Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say because in French. How do you pronounce this phrase? Yes, indeed, in French, because is said with two words, but you can pronounce it just like it's one word. So how do you pronounce this in French? In France, it is pronounced as parce que, parce que. You can often skip the middle E, most people do, and you can simply say parce que, parce que, parce que. Parce que je suis beautiful, grand, parce que je suis grand, because I'm tall. For example, I love going to the swimming pool because it's nice and sunny. J'aime aller à la piscine parce que il fait beau, il fait du soleil, parce que. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting French. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.